Hello students, Polytechnic second semester mathematics, third chapter parabola. Let's start important formulae before starting the exercise problems. So the first point is if a point moves in a plane so that its distance from a fixed point is in a constant ratio to its distance from a fixed line. So the curve described by the point is called a conic. For example, let's take a one fixed point, that is S, and here is a one fixed line, and let's take a one point P, that is moving point. Then the distance from the point P to S and the distance from the point P to fixed line. So let's take the line as a MN. Okay, so SP means distance from the moving point to fixed point, and PM means distance from the moving point to fixed line. So it is the curve described by this point P is called a conic. So conic is here the fixed point is calling as a focus. Fixed point is called a focus, and this fixed line is called a directrix. And this constant ratio means SP divided by PM is called a constant ratio, and it is called a eccentricity, and it is denoting with a small e. So here three important points we have to remember. If this e value is equals to exactly 1, so if e equals to 1, so then the conic is called a parabola. The conic is called parabola. So next to second case, if 0 less than e less than 1, then the conic is called an ellipse. ELLIPSE, ellipse. Next third case, if e is greater than 1, so then the conic is called a hyperbola. So these are the three important cases. So along these three we have a one important formula which is related to conic. So that is equation of a conic whose focus, where is the focus means fixed point, what is that, x1 comma y1, and directrix means fixed line, what is that, mn is a fixed line, ax plus by plus c equals 0, and whose eccentricity is e. So then the equation of a conic is a square plus b square bracket of x minus x1 whole square plus y minus y1 whole square equals to e into ax plus by plus c whole square. And if you simplifying this, you will get the equation in the form of second degree with variable x and y, so which is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. A square plus b square whole bracket of x minus x1 whole square plus y minus y1 whole square equals to e square into ax plus by plus c whole square. When you simplifying this equation, then you will get the form ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. Next third one is parabola. We already discussed about the parabola previously, that is if e equals to 1, then that conic is called a parabola. So a parabola is a locus of a point which moves in a plane such that its distance from the focus is equal to its distance from the directrix, and its standard form is y square equals to 4ax, and a must be greater than 0. The next definition is axis, vertex, tangent at the vertex. So first axis. Axis means the line about which the parabola is symmetrical is called the axis of the parabola. For example, here is a x-axis and this is a y-axis. So here is a intersection point, that is origin. So this is the parabola which is y square equals to 4ax. So this is x-axis, this is a y-axis. Now this x-axis is called a axis. Why? Because through this axis, this x-axis, the parabola will be symmetrical. Next, the second one is vertex. Vertex means the point where the axis cuts the curve is called the vertex of the parabola. So the axis means x-axis, cuts the curve. Curve means parabola at one point. What is at this point? It is called a vertex. Next, the third one is tangent at the vertex. So the tangent at this point means vertex. The tangent at this point perpendicular to the axis is called the tangent at the vertex. So that means exactly y-axis is perpendicular to axis. Axis means what? X-axis. So then the y-axis is called a tangent at the vertex. Next, fifth one, a latus rectum. The chord LL dash of the parabola through the focus S and at right angles to the axis of the parabola is called a latus rectum. For example, here is a x-axis and this is a y-axis. So this is a parabola. So y square equals to 4ax. Now this parabola is symmetrical along with the x-axis, so that x-axis is called a axis. And let's take the one focus, that means fixed point. Here is a focus S. So a chord L dash of the parabola. Chord means a line intersecting the 2 points on the parabola through focus. So this is L dash. It is called a latus rectum of a parabola, and this latus rectum will make a 90 degrees with the axis. Next to definition, focal distance. It is the distance from the focus to a point on the parabola. So focus means fixed point. Here S is a fixed point, and let's take one point on the parabola. So the distance between the point and the fixed point, that is focus, is called a focal distance. Next, seventh one, general equation of a parabola. Let focus be s x comma y, x1 comma y1, and directrix be the line ax plus by plus c equals 0, and the p is a one point on the parabola. So then the general equation of a parabola is a square plus b square, so whole bracket of x minus x1 whole square plus y minus y1 whole square, it is equals to ax plus by plus c whole square. Eighth one, all standard forms of a parabola. So here x-axis, next here y-axis. So this is a parabola, and its a standard form is y square equals to 4ax. Here is a intersection point 0. Next to x-axis, and here is a y-axis, and this is a parabola, and its a standard form is y square equals to minus 4ax. So next one is x-axis and y-axis. Here intersection point is 0. So it is also a parabola, and its a standard form is x square equals to 4ay. Next to x-axis, here y-axis, intersection point is 0. It is also a parabola, and its a standard form is x square equals to minus 4ay y, and these all parabolas passing through origin. Let us learn one important table because all exercise problems depend on this table. First one is parabola, next to vertex, focus, equation of a axis, equation of a tangent at vertex, next to equation of a latus rectum, next to equation of a directrix, next to length of a latus rectum. So we have a different type of parabola. Just now we learned. The first one is y square equals to 4ax. So this is a standard form of a parabola, that is y square equals to 4ax. In this diagram, vertex means the axis where cuts the parabola, that is called vertex. So here the vertex is origin. So here 0 comma 0. Next to focus means fixed point always will be there on the x-axis. Generally on the x-axis the coordinates will be a comma 0, y coordinate should be 0, then only the point will come on the x-axis. So then here focus is a comma 0. Next to equation of a axis. Equation of axis means what is the equation of a x-axis? That is y equals to 0 now. So y equals to 0 is the equation of a axis. Next to equation of a tangent at vertex. Tangent at vertex means where is a vertex? Origin is a vertex and this y-axis is called a tangent at the vertex. Indirectly y-axis is called a equation of a tangent at vertex. So the equation of a y-axis is what? X equals to 0. Next to equation of a latus rectum. Latus rectum means a chord which is passes through a fixed point. It is called a latus rectum. So the fixed point is what? A comma 0. So then the equation of a latus rectum is x equals to the x coordinate a. So x equals to a. Next to equation of a directrix. First of all, directrix means what? Fixed line. Fixed line should be the negative direction of x-axis. So this is a fixed line, that is directrix. So the equation of a directrix is what? Here vertex right side positive numbers, vertex left side all negative numbers. So then x equals to minus a is the equation of a directrix. Next, length of a latus rectum. Length of a latus rectum means here L dash is called a latus rectum length. See here, from here to here 2a units will be there, and here to here same 2a units. So 2a plus 2a total 4a is the length of a latus rectum. Next, the second one is y square equals to minus 4ax. So this is called y square equals to minus 4ax, and its vertex is same, origin is a vertex, so that is 0 comma 0. And second one is focus means fixed point. So here we should take the fixed point. So it is a negative direction of x-axis, so then definitely minus a comma 0 is a focus, minus a comma 0. Next, equation of a axis. Equation of axis means this is called a axis because it is a symmetric to the parabola. So its equation is y equals to 0. Next, equation of a tangent at vertex. So that means y-axis. So that is x equals to 0. Next to equation of a latus rectum. So this is a latus rectum. Its equation is x equals to minus a. Next to equation of a directrix. So here the directrix will be on positive direction of x-axis, that is fixed line, and its equation is x equals to a. Next to a length of a latus rectum. Length means positive value, so that is why it is a 2a. It is also a 2a, so then total 4a. Next, the third one is x square equals to 4ay. So this is a parabola and its standard form is x square equals to 4ay. First of all, it's a vertex is same origin 0 comma 0 is a vertex. Next to focus, focus means fixed point. Let's take the fixed point S on the y-axis. So on the y-axis, definitely the points x coordinate will be 0 and y coordinate is any some number. So 0 comma y. So 0 comma y means here you take 0 comma a. So 0 comma a. Next to equation of a axis. Axis means the parabola should be a symmetric along with the y-axis. No? So that is why x equals to 0 is the equation of a axis. Next equation of a tangent at vertex. So here the x-axis is a equation of a tangent at the vertex. So its equation is y equals to 0. Next equation of a latus rectum means a line segment passing through a fixed focus is called a latus rectum and its equation is y equals to a. Next equation of a directrix. So here directrix will be there on the negative direction of a y-axis. So that means fixed line. So then its equation is y equals to minus a and length of a lotus rectum. So length of a lotus rectum means same, no changes, same as it is 4a. So the simple way to remember these all, just interchange the x and y in the first case, so then you will get these third case values. Next fourth one is x square equals to minus 4ay. So this is a parabola and its standard form is x square equals to minus 4ay and its vertex is 0 comma 0. Next to focus, focus means here is a fixed point, that is focus. So it is on the negative direction of a y-axis. So definitely 0 comma minus a is a focus. Next to equation of a axis x equals to 0, equation of a tangent at the vertex, that is y equals to 0. Next equation of a latus rectum is y equals to minus a because it is on the negative direction of a y-axis, latus rectum. So this is a latus rectum. Next equation of a directrix, so that means fixed line. This is called a fixed line. So it is equals to y equals to a and the length of a latus rectum is 4a. So just interchange the x and y in the second case, then you will get the fourth case values. So these four are parabolas and its their vertex is origin 0 comma 0. But if the parabola not passing through a origin other than the origin, then the standard form of a first parabola is y minus k whole square equals to 4a x minus h. This is a standard form of a parabola which is passes through h comma k, that means not origin, other than origin. So in this case we can write the vertex as h comma k, focus, equation of axis. Let's see once. So these are the four different type of parabola standard forms whose vertex is other than origin, that means h comma k was taken. So this is a vertex, this is a focus, this is a equation of a axis, this is equation of a tangent at the vertex, and this is a equation of a latus rectum, equation of a directrix, length of a latus rectum. So like this, so total 4 are there. Exercise problems. First bit, find the vertex, focus, equation of a axis, latus rectum, directrix and length of a latus rectum of the parabola. The first parabola is y square equals to 32x. Compare this equation with the standard form, that is y square equals to 4ax. So that means it is a right side parabola figure. So x-axis, here y-axis. So this is a y square equals to 32x parabola. So then 4a equals to 32. From this, a equals to 32 divided by 4, that is 8. So the first answer is vertex. From the figure, the vertex is origin 0, 0. Second one is focus. Focus means fixed point. Fixed point means the formula is a comma 0. So here a value 8, 8 comma 0. So here is a fixed point 8 comma 0. Next, equation of a axis. Equation of a axis is, so here x-axis is a axis, so its equation is y equals to 0. Next one is a lotus rectum. The formula is x equals to a is a lotus rectum, but a value is 8, so then x equals to 8. Next one is directrix. So here directrix means it is a fixed line, so we should take in the negative direction of x-axis. So its formula is x equals to minus a, so then x equals to minus 8 is the answer. Next last one is length of a lotus rectum, that is 4a. So then 4 into a value is 8, 4 8s are 32 is the length of a lotus rectum. Next B question, 3y square equals to 4x. So then y square equals to 4x divided by 3. Now compare with the standard form. So then 4a equals to 4 by 3. We can cancel the 4 on both sides. Then a equals to 1 by 3. So it is a right side parabola. The given question is right side parabola. So here x-axis, here y-axis. So this is a 3y square equals to 4x parabola. Now first one is vertex. So vertex means that is origin 0, 0. Second one is focus. The focus means fixed point. The fixed point formula is a, 0. So then here 1 by 3, 0. Next equation of a, so axis means the parabola is a symmetry along with the x-axis, so that is called axis. So then here y equals to 0 is the equation of a axis. Next to equation of a lotus rectum, that is x equals to a, then it is implies x equals to 1 by 3. Next to equation of a directrix, that means fixed line, so x equals to minus a, then it is implies x equals to minus 1 by 3. So next length of a lotus rectum, the formula is 4a, so 4 into a value is 1 by 3, so it is equals to 4 by 3. Next C question, 5y square equals to 12x. So from this y square equals to 12x divided by 5. Now compare with the standard form, that is y square equals to 4ax, then 4a equals to 12 by 5. 4 1s are 4 3s are, then a equals to 3 by 5. So the first answer is vertex. Let's draw a diagram. Here is a x-axis, here is a y-axis. So it is a right side parabola shape. So this is a right side parabola shape. So its name is y square equals to 12x divided by 5. So vertex means the axis cuts the parabola, that is origin. So vertex is origin, it is equals to 0, 0. Next to second one is focus. Focus means fixed point. A fixed point formula is a, 0, a value 3 by 5, 0. Next to third one is equation of a axis, that is y equals to 0. Next equation of a lotus rectum, that is x equals to a, so then it is implies x equals to 3 by 5, and you can simplify this. If you simplifying this, 5x minus 3 equals to 0. Next equation of a directrix. So directrix means a fixed line, so it is x equals to minus a, then it is implies x equals to minus 3 by 5, and its simplification is 5x plus 3 equals to 0. Next last one, length of a lotus rectum, that is 4a, so 4 into a value is 3 by 5. So 4 3s are 12 by 5 is a length of a lotus rectum. Question number D, x square equals to 4y. So compare with x square equals to 4ay. So then here 4a equals to 4. So then it is implies a equals to 1. So let's draw its diagram. It is a upper parabola shape. So upper parabola shape. So its name is, so y-axis, this is the x-axis. The first one is vertex. So here vertex is origin 0 comma 0. Next the second one is focus. Focus means fixed point. Here will be the fixed point, that means on the y-axis. So its formula is 0 comma a, then it is implies 0 comma a value 1. Next third one is equation of a axis. So here equation of a axis means the symmetry of parabola through y-axis. So that is why equation of axis is x equals to 0. Next fourth one is equation of a lotus, that is y equals to a. So then y equals to a value is 1. Next fifth one is equation of a directrix. So that is y equals to minus a. Directrix means fixed line. Fixed line will be there on the negative direction of a y-axis. So it is implies y equals to minus 1. So then y plus 1 equals to 0. Next last one is length of a lotus rectum. So its formula is 4a. So then 4 into a value 1. So 4 into 1 is 4. Next question number E, 7x square minus 16y equals to 0. Let's write in the standard form. 7x square equals to plus 16y. Then x square equals to 16y divided by 7. Now compare with x square equals to 4ay. So then 4a equals to 16 by 7. Here 4 ones are 4 fours are 16. Then a equals to 4 by 7. So let's draw a diagram. It is a upper parabola shape. So here is a y-axis, this is a x-axis, and its name is x square equals to. So the first one is vertex. So origin is a vertex. So that is 0 comma 0. Next second one is focus. So that is 0 comma a. So 0 comma a value is 4 by 7. Next third one is equation of a axis. So that is x equals to 0, because y-axis is the axis here. Next to fourth one is equation of a latus rectum. So that is y equals to a. So then y equals to a value 4 by 7. It is implies 7y minus 4 equals to 0. Next to equation of a directrix. So that is y equals to minus a. So it is implies y equals to minus 4 by 7. So it is implies 7y plus 4 equals to 0. And the last one is length of a lotus rectum. So its formula is 4 into a. So 4 into 4 by 7. So it is equals to 16 by 7. Question number F, 2x square plus 7y equals to 0. So let's write in the standard form. So 2x square equals to minus 7y. X square equals to minus 7y divided by 2. Now compare with the standard form. That is x square equals to minus 4ay. So then 4a equals to is just 7 by 2. So then a equals to 7 by 4 2s are 8. So a value is 7 by 8. Let's draw the diagram. It is a lower parabola shape. Here x-axis, y-axis, and its name is x square equals to minus 7y divided by 2. In this case the vertex is same, origin is a vertex, so that is 0 comma 0. Next second one is focus, that is fixed point. Here fixed point is 0 comma minus a. So it is equals to 0 comma minus 7 by 8. Next third one is equation of a axis, so that is y equals to x equals to 0. Next one is equation of a lotus rectangle, y equals to minus a, so it is implies y equals to minus 7 by 8. Then its simplification is 8y plus 7 equals to 0. Next equation of a directrix, so that is a fixed line, it is called a directrix. So its equation is y equals to a, so it is implies y equals to 7 by 8. So then 8y minus 7 equals to 0. Next last one is length of a lotus rectum, so its formula is 4a, so 4 into 7 by 8, here 4 ones are 4 twos are, so 7 by 2 is answer. Next G question, y square equals to minus 16x. So let's compare with the standard form, that is y square equals to 4ax, minus 4ax. So then 4a equals to 16, 4 ones are 4 fours are, then a value is 4. Let's draw the diagram. It is a left side parabola, left side. See here, its name is y square equals to minus 16x. So this is x-axis, this is y-axis. So first answer is vertex. The origin is a vertex, so it is 0 comma 0. The second one is focus. Focus means fixed point, so the fixed point is minus a comma 0, so then minus 4 comma 0. So equation of a axis, that is x-axis is a axis because it is a symmetric for the parabola, so then its equation is y equals to 0. Next to equation of a lotus rectum, that is x equals to minus a, so then it is implies x equals to minus 4, so x plus 4 equals to 0. Next equation of a directrix, so that is x equals to a, so then x equals to a value is 4, then it is implies x minus 4 equals to 0. Next last one is length of a lotus rectangle, so its formula is 4a, so then 4 into a value is 4, 4 4 is 16.